Greetings, friends. Happy Tuesday to all of you. Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell just made a crazy new announcement on stimulus. After much pressure, the Biden administration is finally pushing for a fourth round of stimulus relief checks. And these checks would go out to many low and middle income households. So, dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for all of these details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway. And friends, the next giveaway is scheduled for tomorrow, so please stay tuned for that video.
Well, here's the thing about that, Peter, is when you look at, as of this morning, when you look at the crude oil, and when you look at wholesale oil prices as well, they've declined about 15%. And so retail gas prices, however, have only declined just about 3% over the same time period as we have seen with the crude oil prices and the wholesale gas prices. And meanwhile, those same retailers are profiting, their profit have gone up about 40 cents, nearly 40 cents in that same period of time. So what the president is saying is that everyone along that chain, along that production chain line, needs to make sure that they're doing what is possible, their part in bringing down the cost for the American people. That is what we're asking. Consumers should not be the first to pay and the last to benefit.
For over a year now, lawmakers and businesses have been complaining on how they cannot find workers. So during an event this week, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell offered his own theory as to why the labor shortage is still continuing this year. Mitch McConnell stated, "You've got a whole lot of people sitting on the sidelines because of stimulus. What we've got to hope is that they'll start concluding it's better to work than not to work." But friends, many economists have identified a multitude of reasons for the labor shortage. People have moved away from locations with open positions. Parents have not been able to return to work as they deal with ongoing crisis uncertainty, and the open roles might not be the right fit for people looking to switch jobs. These reasons suggest possible solutions other than Mitch McConnell's plan to wait out savings. Businesses could offer higher wages and more flexible workplaces, and even tweak job descriptions and requirements to attract a larger pool of potential employees. According to CNN News, Americans built up a huge amount of savings during a crisis, and that's thanks to several federal rescue packages. Analysts have estimated that households built up an extra cash cushion totaling $2.6 trillion from the beginning of this crisis through the end of 2021. And in the meantime, the labor market has seen a robust recovery, with jobs set to fully recover by the summer. The employment population ratio for Americans ages 25 to 54 has crept above July 2019 levels. According to data from the St. Louis Federal Reserve, unemployment sits at a historic low of 3.6%. For the past year, Americans have been quitting at near record rates. Hiring and job openings remain very strong, so that indicates that many people are quitting for higher paying jobs, especially in low-wage industries. Kentucky, which is Mitch McConnell's home state, was briefly the epicenter of the Great Resignation. The sheer number of workers quitting and leaving the workforce was powered by the structural conditions that existed long before the crisis. That includes lack of affordable childcare, a low minimum wage, and worries over safety during a still raging crisis. Friends, the key word for this video is Mount Fuji. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Mount Fuji, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. And remember, my friends, that the more videos that you comment on with a keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. Analysts have said that in June, Americans had begun to draw down their savings, with prices rising at the fastest pace in 4 decades. This week, Onondaga County legislators voted unanimously to approve a one-time $200 stimulus payment for senior citizens who qualify for the enhanced school tax relief. It is a property tax exemption. According to county officials, homeowners can expect to receive their checks at the end of the year. The Senior Household Stimulus Program was also proposed by the county's executive. The goal of this program is to help senior citizens recover financially from this crisis and also ease the burden of the economic downturn. The program, financed through the county's fund balance, is estimated to cost $5.5 million. County lawmakers believe around 27,500 county homeowners will qualify for the enhanced school tax relief and will receive the $200 checks. To qualify for the enhanced benefit, you must be a homeowner and be at least 65 years old with a household income of no more than $92,000 a year. County legislator Peggy Chase says the checks will help seniors on fixed incomes, especially as home assessments and taxes continue to rise. But Democratic legislator William Kine said he supports the stimulus program for seniors, but is encouraging county officials to meet the needs of other groups, specifically those who have a lower income. The city of Cleveland, Ohio, is also seeking proposals for how to provide broadband internet to city residents through a $20 million plan funded by stimulus money. Ideally, the city seeks plans that could provide broadband access to 50,000 residents and would provide devices to those who are in need. So this is the first major step that the city of Cleveland has taken to improving broadband since the city council's controversial approval of $20 million for broadband expansion in September. Well, my fabulous friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you once again for joining me here. I greatly and truly appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday.